Hi everyone. Today we are going to study how to use seek and tail function in Python. These two are very important function to set the cursor file pointer in any particular location. Actually, these are used to randomly access a file. Random access means access through any point the file. So how can we use that? Just see that the functions are seek and tail. Seek function actually set the file pointer, and tail function tell that where the file pointer is, where the cursor is in your file. So first I have made one program here. See first the text. What is text is there? This is the text and the program is here. First I am working with a text file. So sara.txt open in read mode. Then when I am printing f.read, it will print the entire line. You can see here. Again I am running this. It is printing the entire line. So whose woods these are, I think I know. This is the line. And f.seek 2. As I told, seek is the function that set the file pointer. Position number 2. How it is adjusting, please see that. In this text you see W is in 0 position, H is in 1 position, 2, 3, 4 is in 4 position, like that. It generally starts with the point 0. Starting index is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, like that it goes. Since I have done seek 2, seek 2 means it will set the file position at second position, like see here 0, 1, 2 means in O. After that I am printing here f.tail. Tail function tells you that which position my currently cursor is. So it will give 2. Then again I have done f.seek 2. So remember it, when you do seek function, so it again set to the 0th position, starting position. So what is happening here, again currently it is from 0 to 2 and it is printing now. When I am reading this, print f.read, it is printing from the second position. Second position is O, because 0, 1, 2, second position is O. From O it is reading the entire thing. That means you have to remember, when I am calling this function seek again and setting the file pointer to, it's not going to its current position further. It is again the cursor position, file pointer is again set to 0th position, and from there it is reading. Suppose that I am doing 3. So it will again start from the 0th position, like see 0, 1, 2, 3. From S it is coming. So now here you see some of the thing, very important thing. Seek function works in 2 ways: absolute positioning and relative positioning. Absolute positioning means, as you have seen in this program, it's just fixing from its current position to how much space, like f.seek 2, it will move 2 space forward. And relative positioning has 2 arguments. It has 2 arguments. First is offset and the position from which it has to traverse. So the syntax is f.seek offset, and from what, from where. It should be written here, from where. So 3 positions are important. First is 0 number. 0 number is from the beginning of the file. 1 means sets the reference point at the current position, and 2 means sets the reference point at the end of the file. So 1 and 2 doesn't work with the text file. For that you have to use binary mode. This 1 and 2 doesn't work with the text file, text mode. It only works in binary mode. Please see this. Like here, suppose that currently if I am coming in second number position, and from second position I want to read that. So if I will write here 1, 2, 1 means current position to 2 spaces, then it will give you error. It is coming error. As I told, in text mode you cannot read that. This position how it is going, this 2 argument how it is going, please see this. Means, as I told you that 2 things are there. One is offset and from where. Offset means you have to write the position where we have to arrive, and from where means from current position or from end of the file that you have to write. So 1 means current position. From current position I have to go forward 2. So it should come, like suppose in this program you see 2, then after 2 if I am again going to, it should come on 4th position, but here it is giving error. So I can, when I am using this binary mode of reading, then it will work. Now see, no error. What is happening? First I have done f.6, second up to second position I have gone, so that means 0, 1, 2. My current position is 2, and from current position I am going to place forward, then it will come 4th position. Now it will read from 4th position. So 4th position means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4th position E is there, it should read from E. Yes, see here, it is reading from E. Now suppose you have to read from the last position. So 2 means from the last position. Now if I am running this, see, nothing is coming, because last position means here. Last position means cursor will come here, and after that no text is here. But if you want to come backward from here, like -2, then what should come? W and O. See, W and O came. So in this way it will work. Remember one thing, that 2 and 1 will not work with text mode only. It will work in binary mode only. So whenever you have to move from a current position or from the last, you have to use that in binary mode. In text mode only you can read from the current position, that is from the 0. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.